Alright, so what's up, you guys? It's your girl TK, and today we are out and about, and we are celebrating my sister's 30, however you're supposed to be saying it. And I have a special guest with me, or whatever. Say what's up, Miss Tran.
What's up?
Okay, she's holding myself. Excuse me. She's holding
camera.
She's holding our camera today, and she wants to be a vlogger.
So I'm gonna be vlogging with this camera, and she's gonna be helping me to say which words to be a vlogger.
Yeah, she's trying to learn the tricks and the tips on being a vlogger, because she wants to be a vlogger. Okay, she wants to be the best vlogger, or whatever it is out here. Okay, so one of the things she has to realize is that being a vlogger, the first thing she needs to understand is that she has to be able to talk to herself. She just do that facial stretching. She's like, huh? Yeah, man, you got to be able to talk to yourself.
Talk to myself.
Well, talk to yourself. You got to feel comfortable. You actually have to feel comfortable having a conversation as if you guys were right in front of you. And a lot of people don't feel comfortable doing that.
So, I learned 2 steps about being a vlogger.
Okay, what is the first step?
I wonder how long would this take?
The 3 steps I learned how to be a vlogger.
The garland.
So, number 1 is this is a speaker. And it's already attached to it. And then this is the button that you play with. Play. And this is where you have to resort to take a picture.
Boom, you smart.
And then this is the video record button. If you want to watch your videos.
She's on it. And guys, I don't know if you guys can see this, but I do have a new lens for my camera, so I can be actually able to hold the Canon EOS. But anyhow, we are at Starbucks and we finna order.
I'm gonna record what they say because I have my camera.
Hazelnut iced coffee.
So, kid you guys not, I have never had a under eyelash, and I have never gotten my eyes tinted. But it's my sister's birthday, so I'm doing it for her birthday. And yeah, my face look real sweaty, but it is what it is. Hopefully y'all can see me. Yeah, so it's my birthday. My sister's birthday. I was in Fort Lauderdale, Florida right now, chilling out with my sister. Yeah, we're about to go to this hotel shortly, and she wanted me to check out this place that she goes to, so I did. I like it. The end. This is the front room. It's my sister's birthday. It's my birthday! Say hi, Trinity.
Hi.
Check out my brother.
Wait, you want to make a
Say
bar
what's up?
table? You want to make a bar table like on that side?
Well, this is the rooms. Full kitchen. Boom. You see it. There go my brother. Say what's up, Lil Willis. What's that?
Chicken, y'all. Little chicken.
Oh, I'm finna get one. Don't let nobody see. And you been in here sneaking, getting chicken.
You want one?
Where did I throw that? Don't eat from over here.
Alright, so I haven't done a vlog in a couple days, but I'm gonna do one now. I guess I could call this vlog right here Confessions of My Big Chop. I don't know what month we in. We're gonna start with month let's say 4 or 5. Now, I want you guys to know, if you don't know, I am in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, and I'm going to be celebrating my sister's birthday. We are in the W. Hi. But I said, since I haven't done a vlog, I'm going to do it. So, of course, I like to talk about natural hair on my channel. So, of course, I will be incorporating it on this vlog. Now, you hear the people in the background. They're going crazy. But it's cool, though. It's cool. Today, we are going to be talking about what's been going on with my natural hair real quick. So, what's been going on with me? As you guys already know, I am, you know, wearing my braids in my hair. And I'm absolutely enjoying it. I've been wearing it. I've been wearing my braids in my hair for about 4 weeks now, guys. And I absolutely love it. So if you guys haven't decided to braid your hair or get your hair braided, like, what you waiting for? So, what you waiting for? Braid your hair, protect your hair, do your hair, be great.
I don't work this TV.
And ignore the background noise in the background. So yeah. Now, with all that said, let's enjoy this birthday vlog, since I've already told you guys about my natural hair. It's doing good. It's sealed. It's protected. Happy birthday to you. Woo!
Are you
Are you 1?
Are you
2? Are you
5?
Are you 6?
Are you
7?
Are you
8? Are you 9? Are you 10? Are you 13?
14?
Okay,
Are you 15?
we
Are
done.
you 16?
Are you 18? Are you 19? Are you 20? Are you 21? Are you 22? Are you 23?
Oh.
Are you 24? Are you 25? Are you 26? Are you 27?
Are you 28?